Hi there, it's George here, and today it's time to show you an update on my avocado tree that I grow in the pot. Sometime I got question from my friends, and to show you my avocado, they asking me how I do take care, why avocado is like drying leaves and stuff like that. Well, in that time when my friends asked to show update on avocado, this avocado was looking not too good with the leaves like so, and it was like dry leaves on the bottom. I had to cut the stem off, and then I wait to grow back, and here we go. It was grow back, and now it's healthy avocado tree, and even here as you can see, new grow will start soon. It's beautiful, and I did a cut here as you can see. From the I cut it was big stem, but anyway this will got big fast, and it started to grow two stems as you can see here, but one have no power and decided to dry, but this one grow beautiful and healthy. And still I growing indoor. Now it's warm, but tomorrow can be cold. That's it. And after a month or something like that, I will move my avocado tree outside. But when I move, just we have to take care, not put the avocado in direct sunlight. Leave it somewhere where it's shade for at least 2 weeks or more. And then slowly you can place the avocado tree in the direct sunlight, and then will grow beautiful. And don't forget to water at the time, the summertime when the soil dries fast. But here indoor, I water my avocado tree once a week, but I check if the soil needs watering. For example, does need watering, it's wet, because I watered it around 5 days ago. And I always check with my finger, that's it. For example, on this plant, it is Zamioculcas, you know that it's a popular plant, and if I check the soil, it's like it's very dry, I have to water. Well, this I didn't water it a long time, I forgot. But don't forget on avocado tree, it's more or less sensitive to water. Don't overwater, don't let the avocado tree to dry the soil like here. The soil likes to be moist but not damp, that's it. But if avocado leaves have some dried leaves, the reason is not only watering, it may be pH not good, or maybe the air is more dry, or it has some fungus. At least my avocado tree looking better now. It was looking not very good, and for that reason I did cut my avocado tree from here, and it was grow back in winter time. So now so looking. I will move outside slowly, but I wait, as I said. As well on the banana plant I water like avocado tree. The soil now is wet, but not very damp, and the baby it's growing healthy and started to grow fast. The pseudostem really thick, and I have a lot of plants here that are healthy. If not healthy, I got some solution to take care and recover. So that's it for this avocado tree that was grow back and inspiring me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell, and I will catch you next time. Have an amazing spring day. Bye bye.